Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money from MetaMask. MetaMask serves as your essential gateway to the exciting world of decentralized finance and Web3. It allows you to securely interact with various blockchain applications. You can begin by connecting your wallet to platforms offering opportunities like staking, lending, and yield farming. This opens up a wide array of possibilities to grow your cryptocurrency holdings through active participation. One popular method involves staking your crypto assets. By locking up your tokens, you can earn passive income, often receiving rewards in the form of additional cryptocurrency. Another avenue is lending, where you provide your digital assets to others through decentralized protocols, earning interest in return. Annual percentage yields can vary significantly, typically ranging from 2% to over 10%, depending on the asset and platform. Yield farming is another powerful strategy. Here, you provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges, earning a share of the trading fees generated. This often involves depositing two different tokens into a liquidity pool. While potentially lucrative, it's crucial to understand the concept of impermanent loss, which can occur if the price ratio of your deposited assets changes significantly. Always assess the risks involved. Beyond traditional DeFi, exploring non-fungible tokens, or NFT, can also be profitable. You can buy, sell, and even create unique digital assets, potentially seeing significant returns. Additionally, keep an eye out for airdrops, where new projects distribute free tokens to early adopters or active community members. Remember to always conduct thorough research on any project before committing your time or assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.